tornadoes are formed when two large air masses of varying temperature and humidity collide with warm air in the lower layers and cold air in the upper layers, as seen in the image. The three types of tornadoes are landspout, waterspout, and fire tornado. Fire impacts land by giving off carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, therefore causing climate change. Landspout tornadoes erode land by picking up soil and rocks and then dropping it on the ground. Waterspout tornadoes do the same thing as landspout tornadoes, except with sand, which will cause the elevation to change, which will affect climate change. Categories of tornadoes: F0, 40 to 72 miles per hour, F1, 73 to 112 miles per hour, F2, 113 to 157, F3, 158 miles per hour to 205 miles per hour, F4, 207 miles per hour to 260 miles per hour, and F5, 261 to 318 miles per hour. This is an F5 tornado. Boy, is it huge. Tornadoes occur in the highlighted areas, and in America it's mostly in the central area, and it causes destruction. The Tri-State tornado was the most hazardous tornado of all time.